Okay, because router will support multiple networks. Okay, so this is the LAN. Another port is available, LAN port, Ethernet, fast Ethernet port. So with the help of that port also we can configure the LAN network. Okay, so directly you connect to the switch to router and configure. Okay, so which cable we have to use? So already we discussed, already have seen. So straight cable, cross cable, okay, rollover cable we can use. In this scenario, router connect to the switch LAN, so we can use a straight cable, and devices already okay, already. So from the router is connected to the switch connect to the PCs. What is the speed?
The speed of LAN you are seeing, LAN.
Yes.
Ha,
This is the for
100.
example, yes, this is the router, this is switch, these are the PCs. So one cable is connected to switch and switch to PCs. So from here to here, that is my LAN. Okay. Another scenario, and we have AUI port 15 pin, same like that is connected to the switch and same PCs. So here we are using one transceiver. This side 15 pin and this side 8 pin. So here to connect. Okay, so this also LAN network. Clear? So we
So,
this.
so,
So
so,
this is
so, sir, this transceiver is actually the one that is converting it from 15 pin to 8 pin.
8 pin. That's it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, AU
Yes, sir.
and speed is different. This 10
Oh,
Mbps.
and this 15 pin, it is called as AUI port.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Speed is 10 Mbps, and this is called Ethernet. Ethernet, and here fast Ethernet. This is speed 100 to 1 gigabit per second. Okay, fast Ethernet. This is a fast Ethernet, and this is on Ethernet. Ether 10 Mbps. Okay, clear. That is a different. So this is we discuss. Okay, now come to the point. About these ports, these two ports. So these two port is called serial port. Okay, serial port. router. So in that there are two types already we discussed. One is 60 pin, one is 26 pin. So 60 pin is called normal serial port and 26 pin is called smart serial port. Okay, inshallah today I will share the slides and whatever information and whatever data available I will share you, okay, today. So here serial port, which purpose we are using? Serial port. Serial port. So this is completely WAN communication. WAN communication purpose. We are using the WAN communication purpose completely. Wide area network. So what is the wide area network? Long distance communication. Long distance communication. So long distance communication, how we can make a long distance communication? So long distance communication, suppose this is my router and here my ISP. What is the ISP? Already you know, right? Internet service provider. So maybe one ISP, maybe two ISP. So here to here is taking the connection. Just give me 1 minute. I will check the slide is available. Okay. I will share you. Okay, maybe I forget where I keep. Okay. So this is the ISP. So with the help of ISP, you are taking the connections, right? So one link and two link. Why we are taking two link? Because this link is goes down. So that is the purpose. This link is I'm using this link, right? So alternate fault tolerance purpose, backup purpose. I'm using this, but not same ISP, some different ISP. Because if I take the same ISP, so what happens? So it's but some scenario the company will take the same with the same ISP, but that is a different scenario. For understand CCNA level, you need to understand. So different two ISP connection we are taken, right? Why? Because if this ISP, this company is any have with any issue about the providing the network or this link is goes down, so I have any alternate link or backup link to maintain my network, to establish means to work my network. Okay, that purpose I'm taking it. So here this port is connect to the WAN, wide area network. ISP means public network, right? ISP providing the internet nothing but public network. ISP, internet service provider. So this port is connected to, here I'm talking about the old. Nowadays we are using fiber optic. Okay, with the help of fiber optic we can use. So serial port, two types. One is normal, second is smart. We are telling. So normal is a 60 pin and smart is a 26 pin. Clear? 26. So what is the different? According to speed, there is no any difference. Okay, so speed is very less about the serial port, and the technology we will use. So what is the technology? So here three standard technology, two standard, T1 to T3, like that. American standard, European standard. So we are using American standard. We are using serial port speed. Clear? Got the point? Hello guys, are you able to listen?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to.
Yes. Yeah. So this is that serial port. This one. So it's connected to the, but how it will be connected? But through the ISP, how the connection we will get? Okay, got the point. So how we will get the connection? So I will show you here. So this is, for example, branch office, for example, and this is my head office. So here I have one router. Here I have one router. I'm not discussing about the internal router, how the connection, what are the devices. So because I'm talking about the serial port, so I'm talking so that is the reason I'm talking about the only router. Okay, so router and serial port. Now this is my ISP. Whatever, which type ISP doesn't matter. Tier 1 ISP, Tier 2 ISP, Tier 3 ISP. So national ISP, state-wise ISP, local ISP. Okay, ISP. So ISP provide the connections, which so here I'm using from here to here one cable. This is called serial DTC or DTE cable. Serial. Don't worry, everything have the written, everything with the slides, everything is written, everything. So just you need to understand, don't bother about the slide, everything I will show you inshallah today, everything, total complete syllabus. Okay, so just focus on what I'm going to explain. So this is the serial cable, so which we are using. Okay, so which purpose? So WAN communication purpose. So technology DTE or DTC, DTE or DCE. Data transmission equipment, data communication equipment. Okay, so what we will discuss later. Okay, so in the real time, so this is the modem, we can say modem. Which modem? Lease line modem, some people said. Okay, so model number is there, 910396, different type of modem. Okay, so don't go about that, just keep it mind that is the ISP modem. Okay, so it's connection in the real time here and here. For example, here 16 pin serial port if I am using, or 26 pin, here 18 pin is available, 18 pin. Here 18 pin, and this cable side, this is the 60 pin and 80 pin. Okay, so this is the cable physical connection. So now this cable means inter, so your ISP connection is providing from same like that. If you see from your home, the cable is go and connect to the switch depart. If you stay in apartment, if you stay house, so uh, outside of your house, in where the maintenance office in the complex. Okay, so they will fix the one box, setup box. Okay, ISP people set up the box. From that box they are provide you one cable. Okay, the cable is connect to your router, your system. That is same like that. Here this is the main ISP. I'm not talking about the outside of the ISP model. So it's provide the one cable directly is connect to the router. Okay, connecting. Now this connect to one device, that is a MUX. Okay, so what happened? So your connection, your data from the switch, whatever, doesn't matter. This is the local area network. So it's connect to the multiple switches, multiple here. So want to communicate. So this communication between between these two device communication is WAN communication. Okay, from here, whatever LAN port you are using, whatever you are using doesn't matter. Okay, we are not discussing about that one. Okay, so giga port you can use. Okay, fiber optic port you can, is depend on the company, because this is completely related to company and company policy and company uh, rule, and company decided. Okay, which type of the port, which type of the network, what is the speed, what is the everything is depend on the, but here is not. So this agreement with the ISP and the company. Okay, service level agreement, it will available. Okay, so that time, so here the connection is established. So this cable is speed and connectors this. Okay, 1.544 megabit, that is the speed. This is the speed of this technology, means this cable speed or port speed. Port is receiving the data 1.44 megabits per second. Okay, that is a low speed. Clear till now? Anything? This is T1 technology. T2 technology little bit high, 2.44 speed, 2.4. And European standard is different. We are not using European standard. Okay, this technology. So T1 and T2, this all this communication technology means communication and establish the connection, ports, speed, everything. Clear, guys? Till now? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
This is my head office, this is my branch office, right? So head office and branch office connections. Okay, this is cable, serial cable, and this is the serial cable. Here is one side, router side is 60 pin, here 18 pins, 60 pin, 18 pins. This router, this is the ISP. And are you able to see my screen, right? Not. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We can.
Yes, sir, we are able to see your screen, sir.
Now this now you complete understand. Hello guys. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, my voice is clear.
Yeah, your voice is clear, sir. It's very
Yep.
clear. Alhamdulillah.
Okay. So here 18 pin is here. So here what is the DTE? What is the DCE? See here, when I'm telling, so you are people are receiving what I'm going to say, right? When you are going to say, I'm keep quiet and I'm listening, I'm receiving from you, right? You're sending, I'm receiving. So here also DTE or DTCE is accept the information, is receive the information. Okay, got the point? Same like that.
Like one-way communication, sir.
Yes, communication means when sending and receiving. Accept is accepting, one receiving. Okay, receiving and sending, same like that for understanding purpose. Okay, so what is the main difference DTE DC? So where is that DTE? So we are configure the clock rate. Nowadays no need to configure the clock rate, but in the real time you need to assign, mean you have to change the clock rate. For example, your data fluctuation, your data increasing, you want to assign the something, means speed, bandwidth, you need to assign, you need to decrease or increase. So that time you can assign the bandwidth to the particular ports. Okay, so that time you have to configure the set clock rate. So what is the clock rate? So where is the DTE? You need to configure the clock rate. So what is the clock rate? For example, see here, example for understanding purpose. For example, my explanation immediately I start like a reading paper. Can you people understand? I'm going to start the explanation like a reading paper.
No, sir. It has to be interactive. Like we have to come at the mindset of the students. Then we can start.
Why you're not understanding? Yes, because you can able to hear, but why you cannot understand? The reason is because your ear capacity to for understanding, listening is different. So many noise you are listening, right? But you're not understanding. That is that. So listening is different, understanding is different, right? Got the point? So I'm talking about that. If now I'm speaking, now I'm telling, so you can able to understand. Okay, that is a different matter. How percentage you are understanding? Okay, that is it. But at least you can understand. Clear? So what if I want to explain your understandable, okay, capacity, so I need to maintain the one speed level, right? So that time you can able to understand it. Suddenly I will start explanation like a reading paper, so you can't understand because your hearing capacity, understandable hearing capacity is not that much fast. Yes guys, understand?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So same thing here, the internet connection have the more speed, right? Whatever speed you can sending, right? But the port speed is very less, 1.44, right? Suppose you people know the cricket, right? If suddenly is so catching practice, ball catch practice we are playing, so one by one if I'm throwing the ball, so you can able to catch. Suddenly immediately within seconds I'm throwing the ball, so that time you can't able to catch the ball, right? So you miss the catch. So that is the reason I need to maintain the speed, right? Got the point? So that time the technology, clock rate technology, it will check what is the port speed for sending, what is the port speed of this receiving. Okay, so that is the reason is make a one and means one whatever what you can say is maintain the speed for port inside the port. Clear? So that time the packet is never lost and package is not dropped. Same like that in highway you can see brake is uh, breaker, speed breaker. What is the work of the speed breaker? To maintain the speed, right?
Yeah, reduce speed. Yeah.
Is reduce the speed, is maintain the speed, right? Got the point? Because but the problem is, can speed brake stop the any car? No, it is not stop the any car, right? But is reduce the speed, right? Got the point? Same like that. So what is the speed is come and what is the speed I need to send? So clock is maintain the speed. Clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So DTE generate the clock rate, DCE accept the clock rate.
So this clock rate will be applicable on 0.
I'm sorry?
The clock rate will be applicable on 0.
Your voice is some breaking, I think.
0. On which port it is applicable, or on both the ports?
DTE is generate the and DCE is accept.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So that is speed clock rate. Clear? DCE.
Yes, sir. Sir, one is for data and one is for communication, sir. One is for, sending and one is for receiving.
One is accept the
Accepting the data or that whatever it can.
is generate clock rate, is generate the clock rate in accept then. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Data circuit transfer equipment, you can say. Clear? So where we need to connect?
Sir, this port provide clocking, no, sir? Clocks
Yes, clock is maintain the clock rate.
maintain that.
Okay, clear? Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
So is generate the clock. For example, where is the DCE? So you need to connect to the router side, means which is the modem side, ISP modem side. So DCE, DTE connector. Okay, clear? Nowadays, fiber optic table is there. So okay, we'll discuss later on next topic. So here WAN cable is connected. So how it will be connected? So from here, your data, for example, this is the connection where whatever switches is come through the cable and is forward, right? So see here how you can communication to your branch office. So this is your head office. You want to communication to branch office, right? So how it will be communicated? So your data is come to here. So it's convert already. I told you is converting the whatever. So that time the ISP, because ISP is not provide only you, right? So this is the business of the providing the connections, right?
Yes, sir.
Clear? So it's providing to multiple, it's providing the connection to multiple companies, more than one companies. So this is the one connection, this is another companies, this is your company, this is Dell, this is the IBM. So everyone, right? So everyone connected to the ISP, right? So everyone. So that all connection is come. For example, I will tell you, suppose you want to go to the Dubai, right? From Hyderabad. So you are not only one person to fly the Dubai, right? In the airplane.
Yes, sir.
So different places belong to the people. They are come. They want to go to the Dubai, right? For example, Warangal, okay, Khambam, okay, whatever, different state, right? Cities available, okay,
Sir, it's
from different
output
area. Yes,
of output of serial, no, sir. This
I'm sorry.
output of serials, no, sir. This after
We are
serial
talking about the serial port,
serial ports.
serial interface. You can say the serial interface,
Okay.
serial interface. Okay, so how it will be? Mm,
ठीक है बोलो
see here. Uh, so these are the router.
ज्यादा हो गए
Router. So here, if you are saying fast Ethernet, fast, and here you can configure the serials. See here, this is the 60 pin and this is the smart 26 pin. This is the router. Clear? You are able to see, right? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are able to see, sir.
Yes, this is the serial 60 pin and this is the smart serial port. Okay, Cisco. So here, this is called serial interface. Serial interface. Serial interface. So interface serial. So like that you can go. This is I'm into the interface. Okay.
और खोलो कि नहीं भैया हाँ मैं बंद कर दिया
Here, fast Ethernet 0x0. Okay. So what is the speed, each and everything it will show you. We will discuss. Okay. Bandwidth 1 gigabits here. I'm entered the router. I'm showing inside the router. Okay. This is the interface is information. How we can see, we will discuss. Okay, that is the, so I'm showing here. So serial interface. Hello, Mr. Amjad, you're asking about the interface, right? Serial
Yes, sir.
interface. Okay, got the point. So that is the interface. So here is connecting. So from how your company information is goes and connect to. So here different places, it means different connection is come. The traffic is come to this ISP. So what the ISP, it will be stream, means is combined and make the one same like that. Different place people are come and make a single person is nothing but aeroplane, right? So all people are sitting in the aeroplane, so that is make a single device, right? For example, I'm giving the example because different places, different city people are come and airport. So what the people, different person is become a single, they are joining and they are make a one device, right? The aeroplane. Clear, guys? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Where they will-
when the fly is the plane is fly and reach the Dubai airport, so again what will happen?
Again, they will divide, sir.
They again divided, right? Got the point. So same thing here. What happened? The different the traffic from different country is come here. So what it will do? So it will merge and make a one single. This is the high speed connectivity between this ISP, right? And high speed fiber optic, only fiber optic in speed. Okay.
Fiber
And
optic,
this cable is underground cable, fiber optic, completely fiber optic. They can't use other cabling, right? This is fiber optic underground cable. You can see if you go into somewhere, any place, any city, so you can see some people orange color, black color. Okay, so underground cable. This is national wise underground cable. Got the point? So it's connected to the ISP, means your branch office ISP, one ISP to another ISP, underground cable. So here is sending. So with these mugs, what it will do, so it will collect the all and make it the one signal and forward to this cable. And this is fiber optic cable, high speed in gigabit speed. So it's reach. For example, Bangalore. So whatever signal you want to go to Bangalore from different countries, so it's reached the Bangalore, right? So again is forward. So then again this modem divided. Okay, which company belong to? So this is your company information. It will send to the your company branch office. Got the point? So it will send and you will receive. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Everyone, I'm asking to everyone.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Mr. Faraz,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Mr. Faraz, Mr. Sheikh Hussain, Muhammad Riaz,
Yes, sir.
Riaz Ahmad,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
right? सिंपल वे है, कुछ नहीं है. क्या है यहाँ पर? ये हेड ऑफिस है, ये ब्रांच ऑफिस है. That's it, right? ISP. So you want to make a long distance communication, so you have to take the connection from the ISP, right? ISP से connection लेना पड़ेगा, right? अब ISP जो connection देगा, कौन से टाइप का देगा? अगर आप सीरियल पोर्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, सीरियल, सो T1 अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड T1 टेक्नोलॉजी, सो वो क्या है? स्पीड लेवल मेंटेन करने के लिए, ठीक है, आइडेंटिफिकेशन के लिए. सो 1.544 मेगाबिट्स पर सेकंड ये है स्पीड आपके सीरियल पोर्ट की स्पीड. ओके, दैट इज द सीरियल पोर्ट स्पीड. That's it. So serial port. So which cable you are using? Serial cable, DTE or DTCE cable, V.35 cable. That is the technical name is V.35 cable. V.35 cable. Serial V.35 cable. Okay. So this cable have the two connector. One is DCE, one is DTE, right? So why we can identify DCE, DTE? Because so it's generate the clock rate, it's maintain the clock rate, right? Got the point? So here one side, if you're talking about the real time, so here 18 pin, here 60 pin or 26 pin is smart port. Okay, so this techno, so speed is 1.44 megabits per second. Clear? So how it will be so here ISP, inside the ISP the connection, I'm क्या है, मैं सिंपल वे में बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है? जब आप पढ़ते जाएंगे जब वी आर गोइंग टू कॉम्प्लिकेटेड कैसा रहता क्या रहता कौन सा मॉडम वी आर यूजिंग द ISP पीपल ओके सो विच टाइप ऑफ द मॉडल व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ द मॉडल नंबर ओके सो ISP मॉडल okay what is the mux क्या होते हैं mux का काम क्या होता है so what we will discuss okay further in next classes okay got the point so now understand so this is the ISP inside the ISP so one modem is there so it's connected to the mux okay so here what they will do the signal and make it and forward this cable is a completely underground cable ये पूरा completely underground रहता cable fiber optic cable right so from here is forward to the one state to another state right got the point ये तो चीज है okay this is the national wise right so because your head office here Hyderabad you want to go to the Bangalore Delhi anything but international how the international because you want to communication one country to another country how the signal is passed through the one country to another country through the cable through the satellite how the signal is passed how the signal is moved one country to another country can anybody can say
Through satellite.
through the satellite Mr. Amjad said that through the satellite Mr. Usman
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
through the satellite
What we are sending through the satellite, sir? क्या है?
yes one country to another country right from here to I want to send to the America right through the satellite I want to send to from India to Africa through the satellite right
No, sir. Not through the satellite. Through these
okay.
laid down cables we are going.
cable
Yeah. These fiber optic cables.
भाई जमीन कहाँ है जी उतनी underground cable right
Yes, sir.
so how in between we have the sea also right
Yes.
In C also cable, sir. Layer 1 cable.
Muzammil Sayed layer 1 cable in the sea
Yes, sir. If you want to share data, then from that we can share.
we can share no I'm not talking about the share so how the connectivity because here physical connectivity is underground the cable in the from the across the India I want to communication anywhere so underground we have the cable so underground the cable because underground the cable we have one ISP to another ISP so they will send the information right but one country to another country because underground there is no land complete one country to another country right in the middle we have find the mountain also in the sea also many things is there right in the between one country to another country right so that purpose I'm telling so here see here these things are you able to see
Yes, sir. We are able to see.
this is the cabling and this cabling complete the under the sea world
Okay.
yeah this is picture come out when is damaged the cable is damaged so this round is there right so here cable is damaged one shark whale or two side is happened this side and this side okay so that time so hours so many hours means I don't exactly I can't see I can't remember so 8 days 12 hours sorry 8 hours 12 hours totally whole network it goes down so that time the picture is come out so this is underground cabling undersea cabling this is completely undersea cable if you see the video in YouTube is available undersea cabling so that time it will show you so this is completely undersea cable Japan USA Dubai New York okay China again is come to the China from China to India again go back to India okay so this is undersea cable so which cable and what is the capacity this is see here 7.1 terabyte so 2.1 terabytes this is a actual bandwidth is available. Okay, you see total capacity is 7.1 terabyte. Okay, so till now we are using only 2 or 3 terabyte still. Okay, so lot of bandwidth is available. Okay, free is available. So this is undersea cable. See, undersea cable, this is fiber optic cable. Actually this cable, this is for all for protect the cable, that purpose. Okay, steel, everything you will see. Clear? So this is the underground and this is the undersea cabling, right? So I'm talking about the under. So now you are not working for ISP, right? So you are working for the company, right?
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are working for the company, but you are not stay here, right? Oh, this is my connection, so I want to stay here. Not like that. So you want to stay here and you need to maintain this link, right? And you are responsible to maintain, manage, control this link, right? Anything is happened, what happened, right? Got the point? Clear? So that
Yes, sir.
purpose, you need to know about this complete link. How, which type of, which cable of, okay. So if link is goes down, so what is the message will come? Okay. So if this link is up, what the message will become? Okay, how to check this link is then, how to check this interface? Okay, so how to check this link status, how to check this interface status? Okay, what the point? So your link is goes down, or the ISP link is goes down, right? So from the problem is from your side and problem is ISP side, you need to know. Okay, got the point? So that is the reason you have to learn this thing. Clear? Got the point?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So before
Here
that,
one question.
yes, tell
Sir,
me.
here one question. Regarding this ISP link available or connectivity, so the connectivity is present only in fiber optic cable or any of the cable which we can use it for connectivity?
Now we are using only serial cable. We are talking about the serial cable. Serial. Nowadays, company use the fiber optic. I will come.
So fiber, no, much okay. Okay.
I think here. This one. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
This cable, SCLC. Okay. So here, this type, and this is the connector. This is the connector, and this is the connector. Okay. So this is the old now technology. This now nowadays we are using this. Company will use this fiber optic interface. This is the cable. So this is previous. Now this compress and is make it like that. Okay, one is receiving, one is sending. Okay, so how can identify? You can easily identify. See here on here, arrow mark is there, right? Arrow marks. So this is input, and here arrow mark is outside in output, right?
Yeah.
So you can see here also is input is mark is there, right? Input and output. So you can see and you can fix. This is for this one, and this is for this connector, this one. So fiber optic we can use. Okay. Clear? So that is the thing we can use. Clear? Now, before clear. So this link, how to configure this link, right? So what are the things in the link? How many things you need to know about this link? This we need to discuss. Clear? And I will show the lab. Okay. So before that, we need to learn internal components of the router. This is the external So what are we are learning? How many ports? Okay, how many connectors? Okay, one port is available inside the route, means is related to external port, that is called console port. Console is written on the router console. So with the help of console port, which purpose? First thing is physically log into the router. That purpose we are using the console cable. Physically login. What's mean by physically login? So what is the shape of the console cable? Same RJ45. Same like that RJ45. But one port is written on the console port. I forget to previous class Saturday. I want to show you the router. So because Al Khair complex we have the routers, so that time I will forget to show you. Okay, next inshallah Saturday I will show you. Okay, physically router.
Inshallah.
Because they have the router. Okay, so this is console port is physically login. Why physically login? For example, you bought the new router. Okay, otherwise some other your head office sending to your branch office to new router. Okay, or old router or old router. So they will inform to you, please Usman or Tahir, just remove this configuration, all configuration, and you can use this, because your branch office is a requirement for the router, so you may use this router. So now directly you can't connect to the network, right? Because already the router had, if you are taking the second one, means the company head office already usage router sending, so already configuration directly blankly you are not connect to the network, right? So first you fix and you connect to your laptop, individual laptop or individual PC. Right? So via console cable. Console cable or rollover cable, console cable. So physically you can log on, you can enter the router. So this is only physically login purpose, physically login purpose we are using this cable. Okay, got the point? This port only to access the router purpose. What I said? Console port or console interface is used for to access the physically access to the router purpose. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Yes,
Usman, repeat what I said.
Yes, sir. Console cable is used for
console, not cable, is a interface.
Yes, sir.
Port.
Console. Yes, sir.
Interface.
Console interface is used for physically logging into the router.
Right. Physically you can access to the router. Physically access to the router. Why you want to access? Why you want? Because you want to do the configuration, right? You want to do the configuration, you want to remove the configuration, or is new router, so you need to enter, because company will not configure your company network configuration, right?
Yes, sir.
The manufacturer company is not configured, right? So it will send to you. So according to your company policy, according to your company configuration, you have to do configure. So how you, same like that, you are bought the new route system computer, so you want to install the operating system. Okay, so how you enter the hard disk? With the help of USB, with the help of the CD, right? Operating system.
Yes, sir.
Right? Directly you're not gonna enter the hard disk, right? Yes, with the help of CD, operating system, with the help of pen drive, bootable pen drive, you can enter. Already we have seen in MCC. Okay, got the point? Yes, so then we enter, we boot with the pen drive or boot with the CD, then we can enter the hard disk and then copy the operating system file, right? And then we, after the operating system will get, so then after that we go into configure the system, means we install the application, we install the tools, what we install the operating system, we install the whatever, right? Understand? So after operating system install, right? After installing the operating system, we are going to configure. Clear? Same like that. Here, operating system is available, right? But configuration is not available, right? So ISO is come with the company by default, and it's have the by default in the router. Okay, router switch, whatever operating system. What you need to do, what you are way, just you need to upgrade the operating system. That is the your work. Upgrade the operating system with the license. License nothing but upgrading the operating system. Every year is change the license, right? Agreement is changed. So they will send you the license number. So is upgrade the operating system. Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
So what the upgrade? So you get the new features, new commands. But you, if you're talking about the here, so you get the new features and commands also, including new operating system. So you want to access the physically access to the router. So that purpose you can use this one. See here, this interface, this port is phone only for accessing router, not communication purpose. With the help of this port, you can't communication, you can't establish the communication. Rest of the all ports all are the communication port. Clear? Rest of the means AUI port, LAN port, okay, fast Ethernet port, okay, serial interface, serial port, which normal or whatever, gigabyte port, okay, and fiber optic port. These all are the communication ports, right? So you can establish the communication, okay. But this port is only access to the router, physically access to the router. Clear? Make a sense? Understand, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Faraz, Mr. Riaz,
Yes,
शेख
sir.
हुसैन,
Yes, sir.
ये पोर्ट से सिर्फ राउटर के अंदर जा सकते हैं आप. अब अंदर जाके काम क्या करेंगे? कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करेंगे. अब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन के लिए अब इंटरफेस के अंदर जाएंगे, इंटरफेस कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करेंगे, राउटर मोड पे जाएंगे, राउटर कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करेंगे, राइट? प्रोटोकॉल कॉन्फ़िगरेशन करना, प्रोटोकॉल व्हाटएवर यू वांट टू कॉन्फ़िगरेशन. So you need to enter inside the router. You want to enter the router. So that purpose you have to use this port, console port.
Console interface.
ठीक है ना? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right, Mr. Riaz?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? Simple है. Physical access करने के लिए this port is available. That's it.
Yes.
Got the point?
Yes.
So that is the thing. Now, a physical access. So which cable you need to use? Console because console port. So console. If you don't have the console port, so you have to make a manually rollover cable. Rollover cable means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here reverse 8 to 1. One side 1 to 8, second end the cable, second end 8 to 1. So any side you can connect to the console port, one side your laptop, okay. And so directly you not access enter the router. So that purpose you take the help. See here, you connect the pen drive. You put the CD drive in CD inside the CD drive, but inside some software is required, right? Bootable file is required in the pen drive or CD drive, right? So you need to make a bootable pen drive, bootable CD, right? Right,
Sir,
guys?
yes, sir, exactly.
Yes, same thing here. You want to enter the router. So this is a physical connectivity, this port, this cable, this laptop. So that is the reason here you require the one software, hyper terminal. Hyper terminal software. Hyper terminal. Putty. Putty. Putty application. I also have, I think I will show you if I have. Yes, this. Are you able to see?
Yes, sir, we are able to see.
See here. Here is one option is there. Serial, right?
Yes, sir, here.
Serial. COM port. Okay. Speed is 96 kilobits per second. And here I need to select here and click on open. So that time I enter the router. Physical connectivity is okay, everything. So then I can, with the help of this application, when I click open, so it will connect to the router. Enter the router with the help of this application. Now when you enter the router, so whatever configuration you want, you can do it, right? Clear? Once your configuration is finished, so you can come back, right? and come back, so you can assign the password to secure this port, because anyone can connect the cable to this router, this interface, and he have this software application, then he can enter the router, and whatever he want to do, he can do, right? He can
Yes, sir.
remove the configuration. So that is the reason you need to secure this port. So that is the reason you have to assign. That is the console password. That is called console password. Clear? You will see. I will show you, because from tomorrow everything is lab. Okay. All right. So inside the router, you are going to configure. So you are not saving, the configuration is written. You are configured the router, you are configured the interface, you are assigned the password, okay, username, password, everything, whatever the configuration is required according to your company, according to your job, according to your responsibility. So you are done. So before saving that, all information is saved in the RAM. So that is the reason it's called running configuration. Clear? Running configuration, because it's running, right? The configuration is running. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Understand?
Yes,
Because
sir.
अभी आप सेव नहीं करे, जस्ट आप इंटर हो गए राउटर के अंदर, अब कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कर रहे हैं, इंटरफेस वगैरह सब चीज, अभी सेव नहीं करे. So that is the running. Same like that. You are open the any file documents and you are typing, start the typing, but you are not saving that file, right? So that all information is saving where you are working in the RAM. That is the physical RAM. Okay, temporarily. But if you are not saving, if suddenly power is gone, so you lost the all information. Again, you have to type, right? If power is come back. Right or wrong, everyone?
Right, sir.
Right, sir.
Yes, sir.
So that is the running configuration. Once you save, this configuration is going to be stored in NVRAM, non-volatile read-only memory. Okay, same like that your hard disk, right? So once you save, is going to be saved. So either is once you save, either power is gone, anything is happened, again you restart the system, so you find your data, right? Got the point? So that is the reason it's called backup configuration of running configuration. Backup of the running configuration, right? Understand?
Yes, sir.
अब you're typing कर दिए, you are saving, so immediately is moved to NVRAM. Clear? So that is the NVRAM. So NVRAM, what is the job? To save. So right. Second thing is startup configuration. What it will do? So once your router is log on, so is restart. So that time this NVRAM is check the all configuration and provide to you. Again, you want to modify. For example, you want to continue that file next day. You are saving, so you are open, so means system is provide your old information, right? So in that you want to modify it, you can modify it. In that you want to add something, you can add. In that you want to remove something, you can remove, right?
Yes, sir.
So means is bringing you, right? In the bringing you in the desktop, right? Where you save C partition, D partition. So you are open the D partition and click, double click. So where it will provide you on your screen, right? Desktop. So he's bringing, right? From D2 is bringing to your desktop, right? कहाँ से लेके आ रही? D partition से लेके आके आपके desktop पे provide कर रही, right? Right or wrong?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
So that is startup, means from here you can start whatever you want, right?
Yes, sir.
Got the point? So that is the startup configuration. So startup configuration, nothing but whatever previous you configure, right? You are saving.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रही ना बात? Clear है,
Yes,
simple,
sir.
right?
Yes.
Got the point? So startup configuration, nothing but whatever configuration you are did previous, that all configuration. So why we call it startup? Because when you open, so it will provide you all configuration. In that you can want to modify, you can modify. If you don't want to modify, just continue. So continue. Got the point? If you change any modification, again you have to save. So when you save, again is overwrite. previous configuration. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now in the flash have the iOS operating system. So here, what is the capacity of the RAM? So 8 MB, 16 MB, and 32 MB, 64 MB, जो आ गया directly बरो 512 और 256 speed. Router have the less memory because we don't have like GB of, okay. Why? Because router is not maintain the information. Router maintain the only IP addressing router protocol. That's it, right? Small configuration. So that is the reason not required that much memory. Okay, storage. Clear? Is only providing the part communication, right? Network communication. Router is not a storage, right? Data storage, information storage. Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Right. So iOS is nothing but operating system. So where is flash? In the flash. Okay. So what is the operating system? So same like that, 8 MB, 16 MB, 32 MB, 64 MB, 256 MB, that operating system size. So this is called flash. Why in the router we doesn't have the hard disk, we have the flash because pen drive have the chip, right? Because router is moving, is running 24/7. Okay, 24/7 is running. If we fix hard disk, so hard disk have the magnetic plates, right? It's moving. So when it's moving, so it's produce the energy. So anytime is going to be crash. So when it's crash means your network is goes down because router is not forward, not show the destination path. So who will forward, right? And who will make a path, create the path? So that is the reason router doesn't have like that one. So router chip like it in the flash, if you open, if you're seen any pen drive flash, so that flash have the chip. So here router also have the chip. Okay, clear? So router doesn't have like any like a hard disk type. Okay, data, media, movement. Clear, guys? So that is the reason in the router we are not using the storage hard disk type. Clear?
Yes, sir.
ROM have the boot process and mini iOS. Boot process means already I will discuss when router will start, so it will going to check the all interface. So all interface is working properly or not, right? So all connection is available or not, is going to check and provide the information. Anything is missing, anything is misbehave, so that time it will give the error on your screen, okay, in your laptop, in your system, right? Clear? That is a boot process. And mini iOS is available. Why? Because this operating system is fail, is gives a problem, so that time it will start with mini iOS, temporarily iOS operating system. The mechanic is, if you are working in the company, so that time you can see server operating system also have the mini operating system, and even desktop operating system XP, Windows 7 also have the mini iOS. Means if your operating system is damaged, you can't able, but in your desktop some information is available. Okay, so that with the help of that CD mini iOS, you can open, you can see your desktop. So whatever you want to copy, you can copy, right? Even password break, Windows password break you want to break, so with the help of that one you can see, because it's an advanced, I'm talking about the advanced mini iOS. So in that the option is available, you want to break the password, so operating system you can break the password, right? So in the company, because it's not because you need to buy that one. Okay, it's not a free of cost, you can't download like that operating system, so company will use. Okay, got the point? So mini iOS. So here also, but in system administrator people, desktop engineers, they are used, they have the CD, but router is an intelligent device. So router itself, it's have mini iOS. So suppose this operating system is fail, anything is happen, so that time it will boot and provide. So it provide that different desktop, means I'm for understanding purpose, I'm telling the desktop, but is a console, is providing a console, different console. Okay, so that with the help of that console, you can easily, you can understand, okay, this router have lost operating system, so contact to the FTP server and install, and you can copy the operating system file. That is the only small file. So okay, I will show you tomorrow inshallah operating system file, how it will be, what is the size. Okay, clear? Mini iOS. Here, so this is the process. So first is boot, and then it will check the operating system. Operating system is there. After that is check the environment, some configuration is there, and after that it will provide you running configuration. From here your work will start. You want to do some configuration or not? Okay, clear? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Anything is there, so you can write down. So tomorrow when we log in 2 o'clock, so you can ask. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
be prepared for tomorrow. Our lab session will also start. Okay, so because we have the less time, so we need to complete also. Understandable? Okay, for the point. And lab also I will show, I will show you the lab also. And second thing, I will give the files also, which file you can do the practice with the help packet tracer. You know the, so many people know the packet tracer and how to use. I will show you. Okay, inshallah. We'll continue tomorrow.
Okay, sir.
Inshallah.
Till that time, say take care. Assalamu alaikum. Okay, Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum.